Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, da-da-da. Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, da-da-da.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So you know what, we love chicken around here and I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious orange chicken. And I swear when you serve it to your friends and family, they're going to ask you, okay, what restaurant did you buy this from? And all you got to do is point to your kitchen. It is that good. So if you want to see how I make it, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much to all of my new subscribers. And don't forget to hit that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you will be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is make a batter. So I've already measured out 1.5 cups of flour, and now I'm gonna add 1/2 cup of cornstarch. And the cornstarch really helps to make the crust of your chicken really crunchy. Now I'm ready to add some seasoning, and I'm gonna measure out 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and I'm just gonna add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, but you can use whatever oil that you have in your pantry. And I'm gonna crack 1 egg. And now I'm gonna add 1 1/4 cup of water. And just take a whisk and begin mixing everything together. Okay, so I'm done mixing up the batter, and off camera I went ahead and rinsed and cleaned my chicken. I cut it into cubes, and I'm going to use 2 large boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Now you can use chicken breasts, but I really love thighs for this recipe because I think it just adds so much more flavor. And I'm just going to grab a spoon or a rubber spatula and just make sure that all the chicken is coated really well. So now I'm just going to cover up the chicken with a plastic wrap, and I'm going to let it sit and marinate in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Okay, so while the chicken is marinating, let's go ahead and make the orange sauce. So I'm going to add 1/4 cup of fresh orange juice along with 1 teaspoon of orange zest. I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. I also have 1/4 cup of rice vinegar. And at the very end, I'm going to mix in 1/2 cup of light brown sugar, and I'm just going to take a spatula and mix and combine everything together. So after 30 minutes of my chicken marinating in the refrigerator, this is what it looks like. So it's all ready to go, and now I'm ready to fry up some chicken. So I'm going to warm up some oil over medium-high heat. And now I'm just going to begin to add some chicken cubes into the hot oil. And you don't want to put too many of them because you don't want to lower the heat of the oil. But I'm going to let the chicken cook 5 minutes on all sides or until it's all golden brown. Okay, so this batch is done. My chicken is golden brown and the crust is nice and crunchy. So I'm just going to take it out and just let it rest on a plate covered with a paper towel. And then you just want to continue on cooking your chicken until you're completely done. So I finished frying up all of my chicken and it looks really amazing. So let's finish off with the orange sauce. So I'm going to warm up some oil and I'm going to flavor the oil with some minced garlic and just swirl it around. But just make sure that the garlic doesn't burn. And now you just want to add the orange sauce that I made earlier to the pan. Okay, so off camera, I mixed 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water, and I'm going to add this to the sauce, and this is what's going to really create a really thick sauce. Okay, so once the sauce has reduced and has thickened up, it's time to start adding back in your chicken. And once you've added all of your chicken to the pan, just begin tossing it around, making sure that all your chicken is coated really good with that delicious orange sauce. Now once your chicken is coated really good with all that sauce, you're done, and you can eat it however way you want. Me, I just made a bowl of rice and I'm just gonna top it off with all this delicious orange chicken. I'm telling you guys, if you serve this to your family or friends, they are going to think that you bought this from a restaurant. It is that good. And of course, being a little extra, I gotta top it off with some sesame seeds and some green onions. But yeah, really simple chicken dinner to make, and I love giving you guys really simple recipes to make. You probably have these ingredients in your pantry and you can probably make it tonight for dinner. And of course, make sure to enjoy it while it's nice and hot. But we are all done. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share it with everybody you know. Follow me, tag me on Instagram, take a picture. I would love to see it. And if you give this recipe a try, please comment down below and let me know what you think. Now wait, you guys, before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button down at the bottom. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.